Greetings and welcome to the Government College of Applied Human Science. Allow us to take you to a virtual tour of our beloved campus. We hope you enjoy it. The American Food Foundation and Oklahoma State University, as well as the government of East Pakistan, founded the college in 1961 with only 25 students. Hamida Khanum was the founding principal of the college. Our campus has a total of 10.3 acres of land. Here we have 21 classrooms, 5 seminar rooms, 8 labs and a library. 3 school levels of education: HSc, BSc and MSc. A total of 5 honors departments are available here. They are as follow: food and nutrition, resource management and entrepreneurship, child development and social relationship, art and creative studies, and lastly, clothing and textile. The Faculty of Biological Science of the University of Dhaka offers the courses, and the admission test is administered by the same faculty. There are about 1,000 students accepted every year for the BSc program at this college. It is our pleasure to announce that a virtual e-library is finally being launched at our college. This 3D model is created by the students of the 32nd batch of Resource Management and Entrepreneurship Department as a part of the Design, Housing and Landscaping course. Additionally, we have learned Family Resource Management, Organizational Behavior, Project Management, Human Resource Management and many more subjects. Finally, we'd like to thank our teachers who provide us with guidance every step of the way. We feel really blessed to have them. And thank you for joining us on this virtual tour.